Welcome back to Cooking Overseas. Today we're bringing you a mouth-watering recipe for homemade orange chicken. This dish is very delicious and easy to make at home. Let's dive right in. First, let's make the batter. 1 cup all-purpose flour, half cup cornstarch, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 egg, then add water portion-wise to make the batter in a thickness similar to pancakes. I used about 1.5 cups of water. Cut the chicken thighs or breasts into bite-sized pieces. And then add them to the batter. Mix well and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Now let's make the sauce. 1/3 of a cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, salt, pepper, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 cup orange juice, and 2 tablespoons cornstarch to add thickness. Heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, carefully add the chicken pieces in batches, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Fry until golden brown and cooked through, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Transfer the cooked chicken to a drain tray to drain excess oil. In a clean skillet, add the sauce on medium heat. Keep stirring until it thickens. Return the cooked chicken pieces to the skillet. Allow the chicken to heat through in the sauce for about 2 minutes. Transfer the orange chicken to a serving platter and garnish with chopped green onions. Your homemade orange chicken is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot alongside steamed rice or your favorite vegetables. And there you have it, a simple yet incredibly flavorful homemade orange chicken recipe, perfect for any day of the week. Give it a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.